Magic. In today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful scarf. It's like a muffler. It's very pretty and it's like it goes one side inside the other. So let's begin. So let's begin by making a slip knot. सबसे पहले slip knot बनाइए and now we have to chain 42 chains बनाइए. 1 2 3 4 5 इसी तरीके से 42 chains बनाइए. So just make 42 chains first. After making 42 chains, leave the first 2 chains and go into the third one and make a half double crochet stitch. So पहली 2 chains छोड़ के third chain में जाइए और एक half double crochet stitch करिए. Yarn over, go into the third chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your needle. Yarn over and pull through 3. Pull through all the 3. Then 1 half double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Yarn over, next stitch में जाइए, yarn over, loop pull कीजिए. 3 loops होंगे आपकी needle में. Yarn over और तीनों में से निकाल दीजिए. So we have to keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across till we reach the end. So just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across till you reach the end. So I'm making a small version for the tutorial as I've made the big one. You have to chain 42 and keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. So just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch, yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through all the 3. So it's very easy, very simple. Just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across till you reach the end. After doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across, now after finishing the row, chain 2 and turn your work. Again we have to keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. So leave these chain 2 that you made and go into the first stitch, the last half double crochet stitch of the previous row, and go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3. Just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. We have to just keep doing this. Repeat these rows by doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch and then chaining 2 and turning, and then again we have to keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. हमें सिर्फ एक half double crochet stitch हर stitch में करना है और then end में हम chain 2 करके अपना work turn करेंगे. बस हमने half double crochet stitch ही करनी है हर एक stitch में. यहाँ पे कोई इंक्रीज नहीं है, कोई डिक्रीज नहीं है अभी तक, बस यही हमने करते जाना है. So just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. So like we did this row, we have to keep repeating till we reach the length of around 34 inches or 85 centimeters. We have to keep repeating this row by chaining 2, then turning our work. So like we have done our last half double crochet stitch. Now we have to chain 2, turn our work and keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. Now when we reach here, then again we'll chain 2, we'll turn our work and we'll keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch till we reach the end. Then again chain 2, turn your work and then again 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across till you reach the length of around 34 inches or 85 to 86 centimeters. So once you reach the length of 34 inches or 35 inches, what we have to do, we have to make this space and then work our muffler or scarf again. So for this space, what we have to do, I'll show you. So once you reach the desired length that I've told you, the 34 inches or 85 centimeters, what you have to do is you have to chain 2, and instead of doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch till the end, you have to do 1 half double crochet stitch for the next 20 stitches. So that will reach half of your work. So you have to keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch and keep counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this you have to do till you reach 20 stitches. After completing 20 stitches, you have to chain 2. Now I don't have so many stitches because I'm making a small one for the tutorial, so I'll just show you. You have to complete 20 half double crochet stitches, and then instead of completing the row, leave the rest 20 stitches and chain 2 and turn your work. Then now from here you have to do 1 half double crochet stitch for these 20 stitches. One, two. So you have to keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch here. Leave this side and just continue doing it here. This will create a small place where you can put the other side in. Now after completing these 20 stitches, chain 2, turn your work, and again you have to do 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch for these 20 stitches. We have to repeat this 6 times. Again chain 2, turn your work, and 1 half double crochet stitch in each of these 20 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. So keep doing this till you have a total of 6 rows of half double crochet stitch of these 20 stitches. When you complete 6 rows of half double crochet stitch of this half side, chain 1 and cut the yarn and fasten off. Now take the yarn, make a slip knot, and join it to the corner here. Now chain 2 and work 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch, each of these 20 stitches. Just keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. When you complete doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each of these 20 stitches, do not join. Chain 2, turn your work, and do 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. Then again we have to just keep repeating this till we complete our 6 rows. So this way we have created a place in the center in which we can put one side of the muffler in, so it gives a very nice look. You can even put a flower or something to decorate on top. Okay, so now again chain 2, turn your work, and keep doing 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. After completing 6 rows of 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch of this side, now we have a gap in between. Now what we have to do, chain 2, 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch, and when we complete the 20 stitches of this side, we have to just continue doing it in the next side. Okay, we have completed this side. Now just start doing 1 half double crochet stitch in this side. So what will happen is, we will join both the sides. Both our sides are joined. Now you can see. Now keep doing the same repeat that we did in the beginning. That will be chain 2, turn your work, and 1 half double crochet stitch in each of the stitches till you reach the end. We have to keep repeating that for some rows. This is basically just 1 half double crochet stitch is used in the whole project. It's very easy. If you want, you can even use any other stitch. If you like, you can even use double crochet stitch. You can use single crochet stitch, but I prefer half double crochet stitch because it works up really fast and looks pretty. So just keep doing this. So after completing this row, again we have to chain 2, turn our work, and keep doing the same 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch across. Okay, so we have made the place that is here, and keep repeating this row. So keep repeating the half double crochet stitch row till you reach the length of about 10 to 12 inches, or about, I think it will be around 27, 28, around 30 centimeters. So when you reach 30 centimeters here, the other side, you have to chain 1, and fasten off. So you'll have a beautiful scarf ready. What you have to do is, you have to fold it, and you have to put one side in this place and pull it. So what will happen is, so this will come inside. See, as you can see in this place, just fold it, and your muffler is ready, your scarf is ready. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, do comment in the comment box below. And hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Be happy, stay safe, keep crocheting. Bye bye.